Okay, at this point, you need to log in to AgileMind on your computer. And remember, the website is russaville.agilemind.com. No www at the beginning, and you have to have Russaville. And then the dot, and then AgileMind. And AgileMind does not have a D in it. It's A-G-I-L-E. Your username, remember, is your same username as your RSD login, except it doesn't have any dots. So it'll be your first name, last name, 24 if you're in this graduating class, or whatever graduating class you are, with no dots. And then your RSD password. If you have any troubles logging in, just email me and I can get you that information. So once you get on the AgileMind website, you're going to go to your courses and of course go to geometry. And you have your topics down here on the left side, and we are in topic 19. When you do the drop down menu under 19, you're going to go to exploring and then chords and arcs. And you're going to go to page 6. So up here, these three little dots, you can say what page you want to go to. You're going to start with page 6. You're going to work your way from page 6 all the way through page 10, and that'll finish up chords and arcs section here. And that will help you fill out the remainder of your notes. So you're going to pause the video here and then fill in the rest of your notes, and then we'll come back and we'll review what you learned, but we will not fill in your notes. So you do need to go through the process of filling in the notes. I'm not going to show you what they are completed. Okay, so hopefully you got your notes filled out for the rest of your 19.2 notes from AgileMind website. And so we have done 4 investigations in all at this point with topic 19. Topic 19, block 1, learned the first investigation, step 1 here. It says the perpendicular bisector of a chord contains the center of the circle. So this is a way that we have for finding the center of the circle. If we just draw 2 chords and find their perpendicular bisectors, wherever they intersect is the center of the circle. The first one we learned today is our second investigation, and it's the fact that a radius of a circle bisects a chord if and only if it's perpendicular to the chord. So remember, we proved both ways. And then the ones that you just looked at, the notes for, the third investigation says chords on a circle or 2 congruent circles would be congruent if and only if they intercept congruent arcs. So if we have congruent arcs, we have congruent chords. And if we have congruent chords, we have congruent arcs. And then the last investigation says that chords on a circle or congruent circles would be congruent if and only if they are the same distance from the center. So if they're equidistant from the center, they're congruent chords, and if they're congruent chords, they are equidistant from the center. So that wraps up our lesson for today. We just talked about the one way we have for locating the center is to find the perpendicular bisector of 2 chords and find where they intersect. And we just reviewed the relationships between the chord and the radius of a circle. So you are ready to do assignment 19.2.